how to enable Google Play Store on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the Play Store back if it's missing or disabled on your device. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. At this point, tap on the filter options on your screen. From there, tap on Show System Apps so all hidden apps become visible. In the next step, search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open the app info page. Following this, if you see an Enable button, go ahead and tap on it to turn the Play Store back on. Once done, go back and also search for Google Play Services and make sure that is enabled as well. After this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. From here, once your device restarts, check if the Play Store is back on your home screen or app drawer. And that's it. If this guide helped you get the Google Play Store back on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.